Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, please subscribe my channel, like and share. Bhadrakali Temple. Ma Bhadrakali Temple in Warangal is among the oldest temples in India that are dedicated to goddess Bhadrakali. The temple located atop a hill between the city of Warangal and Hanamkonda by the side of Bhadrakali Lake. It is an ancient temple which was originally built during the Chalukyan region in 625 AD. Bhadrakali temple regained its magnetism after it was renovated in 1950s by Sri Ganapati Shastri and a few other locals. Although now it bears only a few traces of its glorious past, this temple is the one of the most popular shrines and is visited by lakhs of devotees every year. There are many other shrines inside the temple as well. In Mahamandapam, separate shrines for Lord Shiva, Hanuman temple, Subramanya Swami and Navagrahas along with images of Uma Maheshwara images on stone are placed. They are said to be among the oldest idols of deities which have been carved out of stone. Shrine of Lord Vigneshwara, which is built outside the main temple, is comparatively recent. The deity in the temple is called goddess Bhadrakali, Ma Bhadrakali. Yet to the image of the goddess is believed to be transformed by the holy mantras into Tripura Sundari, a rare form which signifies the supreme feminine power of universe. The word Tripura Sundari literally means beauty of three worlds. This state comprising of Kali form is regarded as a greatest manifestation of Prakriti. And another, a captivating feature of this temple is Bhadrakali Lake, which a man-made lake built during Kakatiya region to serve as source of water for irrigation and other necessities. This lake spread around 2.5 kilometers is surrounded by hills and dotted with various natural rock formation nearby. It presents a peaceful setting that adds on the spiritual aura of Bhadrakali temple. Around Bhadrakali temple Warangal, there are various other shrines that are worth visiting. Some of the Sri Shirdi Sai Baba temple, Padmakshi temple, Sri Potuluri Veera Brahmendra Swami temple, Sri Narasimha Swami temple. Another popular tourist attraction in the Warangal Thousand Pillars is located around 2 kilometers away from Bhadrakali temple. Visit to both places can be clubbed together. And temple architecture built in the style of Chalukyan architecture. Bhadrakali temple is an ancient temple which was built to mark their conquest of Vengi region. The Ekanda Shila statue and the pillars in the temple present a glimpse of Chalukyan region. And while the intricate carvings on the pillars represent the brilliant craftsmanship of Kakatiya region, Kakatiya kings has also considered goddess Bhadrakali as their ancestral deity, hence had contributed to the temple as well. It was during the Kakatiya region that Bhadrakali lake was built. A lake connecting temple was also constructed during the rule. However, with the fall Kakatiya region, the importance of Warangal Bhadrakali temple also lessened. After many decades, in the 1950s, Bhadrakali temple was again revived. This was started by Sri Ganapati Shastri, an ardent devotee of goddess Kali, who had migrated from Karnataka to Warangal in 1940. Upon seeing the remains of Bhadrakali temple, he had decided to settle next to the temple, which was then just a secluded area. And he started to task of renovating the temple with the help of other locals such as Sri Mudumbai Ramanujacharya, and Sri Mangalal Sameja. Many of others such as Vangala Gauraya etc. After renovations, animal sacrifices were stopped in this Bhadrakali temple. Even the idol of deity was slightly modified. It is said that deity had a fuse from originally, which was later softened by a few changes. Goddess' face was turned a smiling and holy chants were also written of deity's tongue at the time of renovations. Although Bhadrakali temple is renovated to a large extent, ancient pillars near the Garbhagriha are symbolic of its great history. Now worship based on Vedic rituals are performed every day at the temple by the temple priest. And visiting Bhadrakali temple in Warangal during the festival is an ideal time. During festivals, it decorated and filled with vibrancy. Hordes of devotees visit during Brahmotsavams, which are organized every year during month of April or May. And during Shravana Masa, which is the month of August or September, temple celebrates many prominent festivals such as Vasanta Navaratri, Shakambari Utsavam and Sharan Navaratri. Batukama festival is also celebrated with a great favor here when women and girls with the beautifully arranged flower patterns visit Bhadrakali Lake to offer prayers. Temple timings for darshans from 5:30 am to 1 pm, remain 3 pm to 8 pm. And Bhadrakali temple is located around 5 kilometers away from Warangal railway station. It is near the Lal Bahadur College of Warangal. Tourists can easily reach the temple via locally run auto rickshaws or by hiring a private taxi.